Analysis codes are a way of keeping track and analyzing different dimensions and aspects of your business. For example, projects, regions, cost centers, or any other dimension you may want to track. It is not recording any new information in your accounting records. It is merely categorizing or tagging particular transactions in order to report on these areas at a later stage. To start making use of analysis codes, you'll need to set them up on the Analysis Codes screen. This can be found under the Company menu in Stage 1. Here you're able to set up 3 different dimensions to track, although you don't have to make use of all of them. Under each analysis code or dimension, you're able to set as many different analysis categories as you like. You can select whether a particular analysis code is active by selecting the In Use checkbox. If an analysis code is not in use, then it will not be available for selection on the processing screens, and it will also not be available in the reports. You can edit both the analysis codes and the analysis categories at any time. However, you can only delete an analysis category if it has no associated transactions linked to it. Once you have set up your analysis codes in Stage 1, they will be available on all of the processing screens. On most screens, the analysis codes can be selected within new columns that appear in the processing grid. These can be selected by either tabbing across a transaction line or scrolling to the right of the grid. You will then select the analysis code or codes that apply to the transaction line. On some screens, like customer and supplier adjustments, you will need to select the green analysis code button to open up the analysis code selection drop-downs. In banking, the analysis codes are available in the additional information section on each line, or alternatively, you have the option to display the columns accordingly. Capture which analysis codes apply to each line, and these will be applied when you save the screen. Reporting on your analysis codes is available on your profit and loss report and all related reports that are related to this profitability reporting, like sales by item, purchases by item, and your account transactions reporting. You are able to filter by one analysis code. For example, you can run your profit and loss for the Johannesburg region. You could even apply more detailed filtering and run your profit and loss for the mountain bike design project in the Durban region. If you would like to compare your analysis codes side by side, you would make use of the Group by Analysis Code option. Here you're able to select one of your analysis code dimensions and view each of the analysis categories side by side. If you would like to budget and compare with budget for one of your analysis codes, you would simply create a budget specific to your analysis category, for example the Johannesburg region. You would then run your profit and loss filtered by the Johannesburg region, and then you would select to compare with the Johannesburg region budget. And those are the most important things that you need to know around analysis codes. Thank you for watching.